Audrey. Once again, welcome to the Noble Strength channel. And if I seem a little giddy, it's because I'm so excited. I'm going to be doing an unboxing with you guys today, and then we're going to style these beauties. At least I hope they're as beautiful in person as they were on site, and I'm sure they are. But anyway, I am rambling. If you like things about fashion, then definitely stick around, like and subscribe, because I purchased a pair of gorgeous red boots from Ralph Lauren. They were on sale, and I've been wanting some red boots forever and a day. And you guys, I think these are the ones. They are just so gorgeous. Heel height is perfect. Love the color and everything. So let's go ahead and get into this unboxing, and then we're going to do a styling. So, oh my God, you guys. So of course I treated myself, and today is Christmas Eve, so Merry Christmas Eve to you all. And I'm hoping I will probably wear these to get together that we are going to tomorrow on Christmas Day. We've been invited over to our friend's house for Christmas dinner, and I think these shoes would be perfect. So they came in this box. It says, Ralph Lauren, thank you for ordering from Ralph Lauren. Our commitment to providing the finest products and services to our customers continues in the Ralph Lauren tradition. And this is my first time ordering directly from Ralph Lauren, and it came with this little card, which you can get it like in a box or whatever. So that's what I asked for. I knew I wanted to do an unboxing, so hey, why not go all the way, right? So it has Ralph Lauren on the front, and then it says season's greetings, happy holidays, and happy new year to myself, right? Okay, so it has the butcher paper with the sticker Ralph Lauren there. And they came in this big box here. These are called Artizan to Bow MBO Martin Red Kid Suede boot. I got them in a 9.5B, and made with supple leather lining. So they are lined with leather. So they have a leather sock inspired by the iconic world of Ralph Lauren and handcrafted with a supple leather lining. Lauren by Ralph Lauren captures a rich, authentic heritage with modern, timeless style. And I love Ralph Lauren. I think his designs are timeless. Y'all already know how much I love red. Now, how do we open these? Oh, they are completely sealed, baby. Okay. Talk about soft. Oh my God. These are dreamy, dreamy, dreamy soft. Look. Oh gosh, look at the heel. This is like a 3.5-inch heel, which is perfect. The leather sole, guys, so beautiful. OMG. And they're leather lined. Luxury. And only for $189. You just don't know, guys. I wish you could feel these. They are super, super soft and beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. OMG, you guys. Look, it's just, I wish you could feel how buttery, like soft. Oh my gosh, just super, I don't know, I can just say luxurious. Absolutely luxurious. OMG. Let me make sure everything is out of here. OMG. And these are the kinds that you just pull on. They are so beautiful. I can't wait to style. All right, guys. I have cleared everything away and pulled out both pairs. I absolutely am just smitten with these boots. OMG. About to get sick of me in these boots. I'm telling you, they are luxurious. I can't stop feeling them. they are just stunningly beautiful and so well made. These will last a lifetime with the leather sole. Only thing I'll probably have to do is get the heel replaced, but the fact that they're leather lined, just all leather, leather sole, leather sock, leather interior, just everything, I cannot. And they were worth $189. They were completely worth the price, guys. So if you like these boots, you definitely need to go on and check them out. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. Ralph Lauren shipped expeditiously, ordered them on a Friday, got them on a Saturday, and today is Sunday, and I'm getting ready to style these for you. We have been invited to, like I said earlier, a Christmas dinner tomorrow, and so I'm gonna rock these bad boys. I'm not sure how I'm gonna rock them, but I'm gonna have you help me to decide what I should wear. It's not anything like formal. These are just good friends of ours, they're family, and we're just gonna go over, have a nice dinner, and hang out. But I want to look cute and pull together, so I will do maybe 3 or 4 looks, and you guys let me know which was your favorite in the comment section below. You know I love getting your input, so I'm going to try to hurry up and do this styling before well, it's an overcast, cloudy day, so I don't have any natural light really coming in, but I'm going to go ahead and get the styling done before it like completely gets dark, because I don't have any like artificial lights or anything like that. But so anyway, let me quit rambling. I'm just so excited about these beautiful, gorgeous boots. I don't know what to do. So yeah, be right back. Let's style these. For all of these looks, they will be casual, and this is look number 1. I paired the boots with a pair of American Eagle jeans, a thrifted belt that I picked up at Goodwill a long time ago, a white top that I picked up at Cities Trends not that long ago, and then the blazer is a Celine blazer from Fashion Nova. If you have not seen my Fashion Nova haul, it was the last video I uploaded. Definitely check it out. I'll leave it in the e-card up above. And this is the handbag I was considering carrying if I wore this outfit. This is by Junki Bags, or the Junki Bags, I believe. I'll leave everything in the description box, but I found out about this designer on Instagram, so I'll leave her Instagram link. She hand makes all of her bags. Really cute, love it, and I think it pairs well with this look. All right, for look number 2, this is giving me British military vibes. I really like this. Everything is the same except the handbag and the jacket. I switched up the jacket with a thrifted jacket that I got from Goodwill a while back. It's a wool jacket with a military vibe, and the handbag is a Dooney and Burke handbag. Love this look. I don't know, I think I'm leaning towards this one, but I still want to get your input. Here is look number 3. Same jeans and everything, except I switched up the top, the belt, and the jacket. So the turtleneck, I can't remember where I got it from. I probably thrifted it. The belt is Tory Burch, and the jacket is Calvin Klein. It's a brocade jacket, and it's the same Dooney and Burke bag. And I just love this jacket. I like the design detailing. All right, look number 4. So for this look, I paired the boots with a pair of black leggings that I picked up from H&M, and the handbag is AliExpress bag, and the jacket is a Guess jacket that I thrifted probably about 5 years ago. Love this jacket. It's just a nice crop, kind of navy peacoat style jacket, and the pants pair well with this because the pants have the gold button detailing, which you'll see when I unbutton the jacket. But I love this look also, so I don't know. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I really want to get your opinion. I wanted to give you a close-up of these boots. The suede on these boots are just, like I say, so gorgeous. Just like the card said, very supple and just buttery soft, and they're super comfortable, guys. The heel height is just so manageable. I could last all day in these. The heel height is not too high. It's a thick heel, and I just think they're so sexy and cute. I just love them. Since this was the last outfit styling of these Ralph Lauren red boots. Just want to say goodbye. Thank you guys for tuning in. Let me know in the comment section below which outfit you think I should wear to tomorrow's Christmas dinner. I did not want to wear a dress to the dinner, but I could definitely rock this with a few dresses or skirts. But I really want to wear pants tomorrow. So out of the outfits that I've shared with you today, let me know which one you think I should wear tomorrow. But I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas, and I hope you're enjoying your Christmas Eve. And as always, remember to be a good steward of all that God has given you, because he loves us so much. I love you too, and I'll see you real soon. Bye.